So we pick up this flight at about a 6-mile right base for runway 35 left at Austin Bergstrom. Prior to this, I had known that there was going to be a gusting easterly wind close to the surface, so we'd stayed as high as I could for as long as I safely could, with the intention of minimizing the amount of time we spent in the low-level turbulence prior to landing. What you'll see in this video is that my plan for avoiding the turbulence didn't quite work out. After dropping down to pattern altitude and completing our downwind checks in preparation for landing, ATC had to sequence us away from the airport and vectored us around downtown Austin before being able to slot us into land. My one big takeaway from this flight was that in the midst of keeping track of all the activities during the sequence, I had actually failed to notice the effect the turbulence and course changes were having on my passengers, who commented later on that their stomachs were still somewhere up in the sky. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe and like to be notified about future videos.
17 X-ray, maintain 190 knots or greater.
Southwest Airlines is just about to head over to the runway there.
Yeah. IC32, reduce speed to 160.
Every time I go to take a picture.
Contact tower.
Over to tower 21 knots, and have a good day.
IC32, if you do see the traffic, advise. South 23, I need you to join final. Be a flight of 2 techs and 2s off your left side at 4,000 descending for the panel. Number 3 Echo Sierra, turn left heading 360 for sequence.
360 for 3 Echo Sierra. Dang, he's bringing us back out again.
Proceed direct to the initial. Do not exceed present speed.
That's the Colorado River there.
Huh?
That's the Colorado.
Yeah, it says so, yeah.
There's a Turkish Air traffic to pass behind and head into your right 1 o'clock, 3 miles southbound, 737, 2,400.
Traffic inside, 3 Echo Sierra.
Turkish Air pass behind them, approximately turbulence, and resume navigation runway 17 left.
We'll pass behind them and watch the wake turbulence for 17 left, 3 Echo Sierra. So, like caution wake turbulence, he's telling me that that's a much bigger airplane than what our one is. So I want to try and, when the wingtip vortexes are going to come back and downwind off him, and they'll come down to the ground. So I don't want to be too close behind them, and if I can, I want to pass above his altitude without getting too high, because if I get too high, I won't be able to bring it down without increasing my airspeed for the airport, you know?
Yeah. Basically, you don't want to get his weight.
Yeah, exactly. Like the wake of a boat, you know?
Yeah.
We'll be alright here now. We're actually above him now. We'll be above his
jet stream.
So we just need to make sure we keep going straight and not drop down before we pass it, you know? But he's lining up at the runway, so as soon as we're straight on with the runway, we can turn, or we know that we're past where he's going to be straight in the line with the runway there.
Yeah.
This is Turkish Air on the right base, runway 17 left, contact tower 121.0.
121.0 for 3 Echo Sierra. Austin Tower, this is 3 Echo Sierra on the right base for 17 left.
IC 32 Austin Tower at midfield, left brake approved, traffic will be departing.
That wasn't for me, was it?
King 7 Papa Echo Austin Tower, runway 17 left, to line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 17 left, out there. Austin Tower, this is 3 Echo Sierra, with you now on the right base for 17 left.
Alright, Turkish Air, square the turn to final, traffic will be a flight of 2 Texans, they'll be inside of you.
Roger that, turning to final now, 3 Echo Sierra.
17 X-ray, turn right on kilo, contact ground point 9 today.
might be a little bit bumpy.
Taxi 32, roger. King 7 Papa Echo, flight runway heading 17 left, clear for takeoff, no delay.
Runway heading, we're on the roll. 17 left, 97 Papa Echo.
Taxi 32, runway 17 left, clear to land, traffic King Air departing.
That wasn't 3 Echo Sierra, so I wasn't. I'm missing the call sign now, but.
Number 3 Echo Sierra, make a right 360 there, tight right 360.
Tight right 360 for 3 Echo Sierra. Oh, I see him now.
Taxi 32, roger. Wind is 080 at 11. Papa Echo, turn left heading of 150, make it 130, 130 heading, contact departure, good day.
Okay, 130 heading on to departure, good day. 57 Papa Echo, we'll see you.
Skyhawk 3 Echo Sierra, runway 17 left, you're clear to land, thanks for the help, you're following a Texan on short final.
3 Echo Sierra, roger now, we got the craft inside, clear to land, 17 left. Ha! Jesus. Just.
Is there someone taxiing up there?
No, there was somebody came in from the other side.
Turn right heading 190.
He was trying to get us in behind him, but we were too fast for him.
Right heading 190, clear for takeoff, 17 right, United 1183.
Yeah, we are right on. See the red? You've got two whites and two reds.
Right,
yeah.
when able,
That means we are on the right glide slope, but we're a little bit fast, so we're just slowing down here. No, we gotta. The idea is you gotta try and keep the two whites and two reds for as long as you can, without your airspeed dropping down too much. And if you follow it down, like if you start seeing more reds, it means you're going too low. If you start seeing more whites, it means you're going too high. There's two planes lined up there waiting for us as well. Now, which means I just have to go a little bit below the glide slope.
Oh, back to white.
Yeah.
United 790 Austin Tower, turn right heading 190, runway 17 right, cleared for takeoff.
Over takeoff 17 right with a right turn 190, 790. And Tower 7 Charlie Hotel is with you, ready to go in sequence on 17 left.
Roger. United 1183, contact departure, good flight.
Over departure, good day, 1183.
I don't know what that is, but it's something to do with the radio.
Parker 890 Austin Tower, runway 17 left, line up and wait.
17 left, line up and wait. That's at 890.
Nice.
Whee!
That was my best crosswind landing ever.
Skyhawk 3 Echo Sierra, turn right on Juliet, contact ground point 9er, thanks for the help.
Right on Juliet, contacting ground point 9er. Good day.